gonna make a dinner hot pot?
Yeah.
Am I gonna be in the video? Am I gonna be in the video? Because Dad, you always cut me out every single time.
All right. First episode at the lake.
Hey-o.
And we're gonna make some eggplant parmesan on the fire.
Ooh.
Eggplant, slice it up, put salt on it. You can see all this moisture that comes out of it. You have to do that before you fry the eggplant. I think this has been about an hour.
Yeah.
See all that right there?
Mm-hmm.
No, you're not supposed to like that. You're supposed to not like that.
Mm-mm.
You, little dredge, some flour, salt,
Yum.
and some Italian seasoning.
Okay.
That's gonna be ooh, ooh, ooh.
You get more than that.
You just take that off.
There you go.
Garlic powder. This is gonna be really good when we put this eggplant parmesan on top of John's special butter noodles. He says it's a magic recipe, but I think it's just like basic, but we'll see. We'll see what's going on. I didn't mean to dog you out,
But you did.
but it's gonna be delicious. I don't know if people do this. I'm gonna crack them together, pow-pow. See if it, you know, maybe we do a new thing.
Yeah. Dinner half fail. Okay, you got one.
That's shredded. Scramble them up.
Okay. I think that oil is
Ripping?
getting there, yeah.
Ripping? Dry dredge.
Yep. Okay.
You got an egg dredge.
Why does it smell so good already?
Because this is dinner high five. Everything smells good on dinner high five. Most things anyway. And time we tried to do a fish and chips and it just didn't work out. But we'll get there. We'll get there. All right. Here we go.
Oh man, look at that.
That double dredge.
There you go. Nice.
Fry it up. We're gonna let those fry and then we'll do maybe two more and then that'll give us enough to like layer it in with that special sauce.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna make some sauce for our eggplant parmesan. We got some shallots that we're gonna saute up first. Get some tomatoes in there, and then season it up with some herbs they like. Yeah. I would have heard all that if the kids weren't being so loud, but that's fine. Hey, we're trying to make a video. So next we're gonna get some tomatoes in there. San Marzano Italian peeled tomatoes.
You're slopping it?
Yeah, we're just gonna let them chill out in here. And in a minute, after it kind of cooks a little bit, we're gonna crush up those tomatoes.
Super crush.
Can of tomato sauce, make it a little bit more soupy. Probably about half a can of tomato paste. Why don't you just go ahead and throw that Rotel in there with all these little canned tomatoes? I'm gonna do like half the can. Is that too much sauce? Way too much. Why? No, you need like a tablespoon. Fine, do whatever you want. All right, so with that, we're gonna throw in red wine. This is a Zinfandel, just to kind of give it some depth. Mason, what are you doing? All right. We got some fresh oregano that's going in. And then let's do 2 bay leaves. About that much time. Little sprig? Yeah, sprig. And then we're also gonna add salt after it kind of gets done, after it mellows out for about an hour or so. All right. It's gonna be tasty. All right.
What you got?
Our eggplant's done.
Yes.
Our magic sauce is done. There's a polar bear walking through the woods down there. Take our magic sauce here that John made. Our eggplant on.
Yeah. Man, that's gonna be so tasty.
Okay. Yeah.
Yup.
Get the rest of our sauce. Little spread.
Man, Jared, this smells so good.
It does.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, here we go. That's a lot of cheese and mozzarella. That's the whole thing right there.
All right.
And last layer, on top of all this mozzarella, is a whole lot of Parmesan. See how it's sizzling
Yes.
all around?
Mm-hmm.
Top it off. And we're gonna let it sit for just a little bit. And then now, we're gonna put this on top of John's special butter noodles.
Let's go make butter noodles.
eggplant parmesan still in the fire pit. So in here, we're gonna start the buttered noodles. First step of making any sort of pasta is make the water taste like the ocean.
Every time I've had ocean water to drink, I've thrown up.
Yeah. Here we go.
So the eggplant parmesan has been on the fire
Yep.
for, I don't know, like 10 minutes.
Yep.
Doesn't take long. You see what it looks like?
Yeah.
Oh
Bruh.
my gosh.
Bruh.
Look, it's still bubbly. Yeah, we're gonna put that on top of John's special butter noodles. Everyone's happy. I'm happy. He's happy. Kids are happy. Everyone's happy. Are you happy?
These are done, so I'm gonna take all the noodles out and put them over here.
I feel like you should be singing like a song in Italian as you do this.
What's the song on the Goonies that the guy sings that in the car?
I don't know. Next episode we do pasta, we'll learn that song. We'll redo that scene. I'll be Chunk.
You got the body for it. Oh!
Okay. Maybe I've been trying.
Some butter here, about half a stick.
You want to put some Velveeta in there while you're at it?
We ain't making
Oh, that's
rotel
right.
chicken.
Oh, you're right. That would be rotel chicken, wouldn't it? A little more?
A little bit. All right, garlic powder.
Wanna let you go. We're having like eggplant parmesan on top of noodles parmesan.
All right, I think we are done here.
Yeah. Dude, it's that garlic powder.
Yeah, you just
Whoa.
do that. The kids are gonna be happy.
All right. You gotta test the ding. That's ready for dinner.
A flap. Look, I could do like that fancy twisty.
Yeah.
But you know what? We're about to
trying to worry about
slop it with some, whatchamacallit.
Ooh. Oh, son.
Look at that. Splat out.
Slice up the eggplant, salt on it, draw the moisture out, and then you dredge it in like a flour, Italian seasoning, salt, garlic powder mixture. Go into the egg, back to the flour, chunk it into the oil on a campfire, and then you layer it up with the tomato sauce made out of.
Started out sauteing garlic, shallot, and some olive oil. And then we added in some tomatoes, some tomato paste, some tomato sauce, some red wine, some oregano, some bay leaves, some thyme, and some red pepper flakes. And then we salted it up.
Let's try it out. Oh man, that eggplant is so eggplanty.
So we just farted in the bathroom.
Who did it? One more. All right, nice work. Eggplant parmesan on the campfire. Whoa. Ow!